Don't know what to do with leftover ham? Well, I'm going to show you. We're going to make some ham salad. You're going to have your leftover ham. You're going to need some mayonnaise, mustard, some sweet pickle relish, an onion, which I use dehydrated, so I'm just letting that in some water so that it soaks up. And we're going to put some eggs in it. So you can chop your ham up really fine by itself. You can use a food processor, you can use a blender, you can use a mincer, but I'm using this grater. And all you're gonna do is put it in there, and you just wanna grind it up, chop it up, whatever you wanna do, so that it turns into real nice meat for your ham salad. Got our ham all done. Our eggs are boiled. We just need to cool them and and then crack them and put them in here. Our eggs are done and peeled. We're just gonna put them in this little masher and squish them right on top of the ham. You cannot taste the eggs in this, but it gives it a good texture and it does give it a flavor. It just isn't like an egg flavor. It doesn't overpower it, so this will be great. Look at that. That does such a great job squishing those eggs right through there. All right, so now we're gonna add our onion, which I have done. Then some sweet pickle relish, a little bit of mayonnaise, and a squirt of mustard. There it is, all mixed up. It tastes so good. I'm gonna toast some bread and slap that on there. Just look at that. Yum.